What up, what up, what up? I'm about to show you my new truck. Check it out. 2024 Z71 Silverado. First mod already. I just got it like 5 days ago. We added the red tow hooks and the red antenna. Sheesh. Did 50% in the front, 15 all around to match it. Looks good. At nighttime, looks good. You can see a little bit, but not too much. This color looks sick, huh? Follow the Instagram if you guys don't follow me. Clean by Chris. I'm gonna do mobile detailing soon with this truck. Look at it. Big boy. Big boy thing. Check it out. Got enough space right here. Start detailing. Need to get the water tank, like a low pro. My generator. Everything else I got right here. Yes sir, it's the garage setup too. Little quick walk around. There's the Instagram. Got my TV and shit, play some music while I'm detailing. You know it. Got the little White Sox tow hitch cover. Overall, this truck is badass. Look at this. Yes, sir. Check out the inside real quick. Got the keys. What up? Gee, look at this. As soon as you come in, you know it. The big screen, center console, hella space back here. Check it out. Yes, sir. Eventually, I'm gonna get some nice wheels for it. But yeah, this is it right here. No whip. Let me know what y'all think. I'm gonna let y'all now hear it. But let me show you my favorite feature of this truck. Them lights. Yeah, you see that? Sheesh. It's crazy. Y'all think stock. Eventually put some mufflers or a little exhaust on it. Sounds good.